Welcome back to Solve Zone.
Today we are solving a Class 8 mathematics problem from Volume and Surface Area, Exercise 20A.
Here the given thing is, length 15 meter, breadth 6 meter and height is 9 decimeter. To find the volume of cuboid, we use the formula L times B times H. After substitution, we will get 81 cubic meters. To find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, we use the formula 2, L plus B, times H. After substitution, we will get 378 square meters. To find the total surface area of cuboid, we use the formula 2, LB plus BH plus HL. After substitution, we will get 217.8 square meters. Watch part 3 for next questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.